Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to block third-party cookies while browsing in incognito mode on Google Chrome. If you care about your privacy and want to keep your online activity more secure, this quick guide is for you. Let's get started right away. First, open the Chrome browser on your device. It doesn't matter whether you're using a phone, tablet, or computer. The process is almost identical across all platforms. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots. This icon opens the main menu, where you'll find all of Chrome's essential options. From that menu, scroll down and select Settings. This section is where you can manage everything related to your browser's performance, privacy, and security. After entering Settings, keep scrolling until you find Site Settings. Tap on it to open the list of permissions and website controls. Inside Site Settings, look for third-party cookies. This is the setting that determines whether websites outside the one you're visiting can track or store your browsing data. Many sites use third-party cookies for advertising and analytics, which can follow you across the web. Now, to limit that tracking only when you're browsing privately, choose the option that says Block Third-Party Cookies in Incognito Mode. Once you select this, Chrome will automatically prevent other sites from using third-party cookies whenever you open an incognito tab.